Hello, Professor. My name is Christos Asiopoulos, and I'm a part of Group 8 along with Trong Nguyen and Savannah O'Brien. And I'm here to show you our website that is a tutoring service. So, our tutoring service is called Brain Helpers, and this is the website. And I still have it on the edit mode just because it's a little bit easier to navigate and just shows you just a little bit better on how everything works and how we created everything. So up here you have our logo. It's very simple. Thought it went well with the company as the company itself is very simple. So we just chose a simple little clip art of a brain. And as you scroll down, or right under the brain actually, you see home, book online, about, services, clients, and contact. And as you scroll down, the website welcomes you. And we have a picture right here of two girls studying outside. Once again, very simple. Gets the point across on what our website is looking to do, which is to help people learn, help people study, help people become more knowledgeable on whatever they're looking to be tutored on. So the About Us just goes over what our company is about and how it's geared towards struggling students in almost any field of study that they're currently enrolled in. And we like to assist people on a personal level using high media richness through live chats and video chats to allow them the leisure of asking any question that they want to know with receiving an instant response. And our service starts at $9.99 an hour with a minimum of 1 hour scheduling and a maximum of 2 to 3 hour scheduling. And the workers receive compensation. They receive 25% of the $9.99 an hour on top of making minimum wage in Massachusetts, which is $12 an hour. So they make roughly about $14 an hour. And the way that you set up your payment method is either through PayPal or a debit card, however you'd like to pay the tutor of their services. And down here we just have professional services, just a couple examples, science and writing. Those are what we depicted to be the most common tutoring services. And right here we just have a little fake review to better advertise our service and show its excellence. And this individual named Sandy Williams says, Brain Helper helped me ace my accounting exam just 24 hours beforehand. Very helpful and quick service. Highly recommend. And down here we have a quick little contact us. We actually did keep the default address, but we changed the email and the phone number. And so moving on to the next page, the book online page is basically just showing you the services that we provide. So we have history, English, science, math, and business at the moment. And each of these services has a different tutor, and some of the services actually have more than one tutor available to help, depending on which field you're mostly focusing on. So if you wanted a neuroscience tutor, we would have a tutor specified for that. But if you wanted a chemistry tutor, then we'd also have another tutor in regards to that. And you can see the rates right here, $9.99 an hour, and you can book your appointment right then and there. And it's a very simple service to navigate through. On the About page, we just have a quick little summarization on what we strive to do and what our goals are with the website and through the website. And we have some testimonials right here, just some customer reviews that demonstrate what differentiates our program from every other tutoring program. So, for example, Quinn Davis stated that one of the tutors, Stephanie Simpson, was the one who tutored, and she got to say it helped her a lot, and she was struggling in class. And then I believe Sandy Williams says something about there was too many things to review, and it was confusing for her exam. But when she had gone on this website and used it, it was very helpful due to the high media richness and due to the easy navigation and ease of setup with this website. So that just goes to show what differentiates us from everyone else. And for the service bar, just a quick little summary that we offer professional service. Nothing too crazy on this page. And right here you will see our clients. So these are the tutors, essentially, and we just put little cartoon pictures for them. So like I was saying earlier, there are sometimes multiple tutors in a specific or in a field, but they are separate when it comes to the specificness of that field. So, for example, Amara Lagari specializes in sciences such as chemistry, physics, biology, and ecology. But also, Bella White specializes in computer sciences and technology. And Stephanie Simpson over here specializes in neurology and nursing. So those are all different scientific tutors that you can choose depending on what you're trying to specifically learn. And we like to offer those different options due to how specific some curriculums can be and how specific some professors can be with the material that they're expecting from their students. And we have their contact informations down here, their emails with their phone numbers, and you can get in touch with them right after you book an appointment, and they should get back to you as soon as possible. And there's a little chat bar right down there that you can, if you don't want to video chat, you can just have a simple chat, but it's still an instant chat. And the last page is the contact us, which mentioned before we kept the default address because we thought that San Francisco would be a good place to actually have the headquarters of this company. And we changed the email and the phone number. And we have some opening hours down here when the tutors are most available, but they are also variable depending on what tutor you have. And that is about it. I mean, the website itself just demonstrates how we're trying to help struggling students and how we're just trying to make academics just a little bit more easier, especially if it's so easy that you don't even have to leave the comfort of your own home. And that is our service, and we believe that it's very innovative and that it could actually go somewhere in the near future. So maybe we'll pursue it in the future. We have no idea, but that is brainhelpers.com. And thank you for watching.